It is all about blocking, deleting, and unfollowing negativity from my life. Yep, you heard me right. I used to let toxic energy and drama seep into my world, but not anymore. I have realized that my space of mind is way too important to let anyone or anything despite it. So now, if someone is bringing me down or spreading negativity, I have no problem hitting that block button. And let me tell you, it feels so good. It is like a weight has been lifted off my shoulder every time I remove that toxic energy from my social media feed. My timeline is now filled with positivity, inspiration, and good vibes only. I have also gotten really good at deleting unnecessary message from my phone and computer. I mean, do I really need to keep that old message from 3 years ago? No, delete and those random app that I never use. See year later. And last but not least, unfollowing people who no longer serve me or bring value to my life has been a game changer. I used to feel guilty about unfollowing someone, but now I see it as an act of self-care. So if you are feeling overwhelmed by negativity or drama in your life, I actually recommend taking a page out of my book and blocking, deleting, and unfollowing anything that does not bring you joy. Trust me, your peace of mind will thank you later. I used to let toxic people and negative vibe affect me a way too much, but now I have realized that I have the power to control what I allowed into my space. So if someone is bringing me down or spreading negativity, you best believe I am hitting that block button faster than you can say goodbye. And let me tell you, the feeling of releasing that negative energy is like a weight lifted off my shoulder. I feel lighter, happier, and more at peace with myself. It is like a breath of fresh air. Deleting toxic comments or messages. Oh, you better believe I am not giving them the time of day. Remember, you have the power to create a positive and uplifting environment for yourself. So do not be afraid to cut out anything or anyone that does not serve your highest good. Your peace of mind is worth it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. One love.